Hi friends, my name is Amol Jadhav, working as assistant professor in Department of Mathematics with the Pratishthan Kamal Nayan Bajaj Institute of Engineering and Technology, Baramati. Today's subject is Engineering Mathematics 3. Topic is Laplace transform and subtopic is General Theorems of Laplace transform. This is lecture number 2. This is lecture number 2 on Laplace transform. Subtopic is General Theorems of Laplace transform. First shifting theorem. L of f of t equal to f of s. Then L of e raised to minus at f of t equal to f of s plus a. That is, put s equal to s plus a in fs. F of s. F of s is Laplace transform of f of t. Then L of e raised to minus at into f of t equal to f of s plus a. This is first shifting theorem. First find out Laplace transform of f of t, then Laplace transform e raised to minus at into f of t is Laplace transform is f of s plus a. Second shifting theorem, if Laplace transform of f of t is f of s and capital F of t equal to f of t minus a and 0, two functions. First function f of t minus a where t greater than a and second function is 0, t less than a. Then Laplace transform of capital F of t is e raised to minus as into f of s. E raised to minus as into f of s. Change of scale theorem. If L of f of t equal to f of s, then L of f of at, is 1 upon a into f of s upon a. That is, put s equal to s upon a in f of s. F of s is Laplace transform of f of s. These are three theorems: first shifting theorem, second shifting theorem, and change of scale. Now see examples. First example, find Laplace transform of the function f of t equal to e raised to minus 4t into cos 3t. Here function is e raised to minus 4t into cos 3t, that is multiplication of two functions. One function is e raised to minus 4t and second function is cos 3t. So here use first shifting theorem. Because here exponential term is present, e raised to minus 4t. Compare e raised to minus 4t with e raised to at minus at. Solution. First find Laplace transform of cos 3t and take f of s. That is, let f of s equal to Laplace transform of cos 3t and use formula of cos at. Then s upon a square plus a square, a is 3. So f of s is Laplace transform of cos 3t is s upon a square plus 9. Then L inverse of e raised to minus, use first shifting theorem. L of e raised to minus 8 into f of t equal to f of s plus a. Therefore, L of e raised to minus 4t into cos 3t equal to f of s plus 4. A is 4. Here minus 4t. Compare with e raised to minus 80. So minus 18 minus 4t. After comparison, we get value of a is 4. So by first shifting theorem, this Laplace transform is f of s plus 4. That is, put s equal to s plus 4 in f of s, where f of s is s upon a square plus 9. Simply put s equal to s plus 4. So this Laplace transform is this s is s plus 4, s square is s plus 4 square plus 9. This is final answer of Laplace transform of e raised to minus 4t into cos 3t. Or we can simplify this s plus 4 bracket square, s square plus 8s plus 16 plus 9, that is s square plus 8s plus 25. This is first example on first shifting theorem. Now second example on first shifting theorem. Find Laplace transform of f of t equal to e raised to minus 3t into t cube. Similar, use first shifting theorem. Here e raised to minus 3t into f of t. So first find Laplace transform of t cube and consider f of s. So f of s equal to Laplace transform of t cube, and t cube is Laplace transform is 3 factorial divided by s raised to 3 plus 1. General formula is Laplace transform of t raised to n is n factorial divided by s raised to n plus 1. So here 3 factorial is 6 and s raised to 4 is f of s. Use first shifting theorem. L of e raised to minus at into f of t equal to f of s plus a. After comparison, this e raised to minus at into f of t with e raised to minus 3t into t cube. F of t is t cube and a is 3. So Laplace transform of e raised to minus 3t cube is f of s plus 3. That is, put s equal to s plus 3 in f of s. So final answer is the 6 upon s plus 3 bracket raised to 4. Here f of s is 6 upon s raised to 4. In f of s, replace s by s plus 3. Why s plus 3? By using first shifting theorem. L of e raised to minus 8 into f of t equal to f of s plus a. E is 3. So this is final answer, 6 upon s plus 3 raised to 4. Find third example. Find Laplace transform of the following function. Capital F of t equal to two functions cos of t minus alpha. Second function is 0. T greater than alpha and t less than alpha. Here given that f of t, capital F of t is cos of t minus alpha, t greater than alpha, t less than alpha. Capital F of t. If question on capital F of t, then use second shifting theorem. Compare given function with f of t is f of t minus a, where t greater than a and 0 at t less than a. So after comparison, we get f of t is cos t. Delete this alpha and alpha is a, and consider L of f of t is f of s. Small f of t is cos t, and use Laplace transform of cos at. Then Laplace transform of f of t is f of s, and is Laplace transform of cos t is s upon s square plus a square. Here cos 1t, so a is 1. So Laplace transform of cos t is s upon a square plus 1. So by second shifting theorem, L of f of t equal to e raised to minus as into f of s. L of capital F of t equal to e raised to minus as into f of s, where a is alpha and f of s is s upon s square plus 1. By second shifting theorem, L of capital F of t equal to e raised to minus as into f of s. A is alpha and f of s is s upon a square plus 1. So final answer is L transform, Laplace transform of capital F of t is e raised to minus alpha s, a is alpha, and f of s is s upon a square plus 1. This is final answer of this capital F of t. Next example. Capital F of t equal to first function t minus 1 cube, second function 0, and t greater than 1 and t less than 1. Capital F of t, so use second shifting theorem. Capital F of t is only in second shifting theorem. So here compare given f of t, capital F of t, with f of t equal to f of t minus a, t greater than a, and 0, t less than a. So after comparison, f of t is a t cube. Delete this minus 1, compare after comparison with this minus 1 and minus a, so a is 1 and t cube is f of t, and L of f of t consider as f of s, and therefore f of s equal to Laplace transform of f of t, that is Laplace transform of t cube is 3 factorial divided by s raised to 4, that is 6 upon s raised to 4. Then by second shifting theorem, L of f of t, capital F of t, equal to e raised to minus as into f of s, where a is a plus 1 and f of s is 6 upon s raised to 4. So final answer is L of capital F of t equal to e raised to minus 1s into 6 upon s raised to 4, that is e raised to minus s into 6 upon s raised to 4. This is solution of this capital F of t equal to First function t minus 1 bracket q where t greater than 1, and second function 0 where t less than 1. Now next example, if Laplace transform of sin t is 1 upon a square plus 1, then find Laplace transform of sin at. Sin at, given that f of s, let f of s is 1 upon a square plus 1. Use change of scale theorem. Use change of scale theorem. If L of f of t equal to f of s, if L of f of t equal to f of s, then L of f of at equal to 1 upon a into f of s upon a. That is, here in f of s, s replaced by s upon a. S upon a. So L of sin at is 1 upon a f of s upon a. L of sin at 1 upon a sin f of s upon a. That is, put s equal to s upon a in f of s, where f of s is 1 upon a square plus 1. Second shifting theorem, s replaced by s upon a and multiply by 1 upon a. So Laplace transform sin at 1 upon a into 1 upon s upon a bracket square plus 1. After simplification of this, s upon a bracket square is a square upon a square, and by cross multiplication this gives this outside 1 upon a as it is, and this is a square divided by a square plus a square, and 1 a cancel, so final answer is a upon a square plus a square. This is final Laplace transform of sin at. And already we know that formula of sin at is a upon a square plus a square. Second example, if Laplace transform of f of t equal to s square minus s plus 1 divided by 2s plus 1 square into s minus 1, then find Laplace transform of f of 2t. Let f of s equal to s square minus s plus 1 divided by 2s plus 1 bracket square into s minus 1, and by using change of scale theorem, L of f of t equal to f of s, then L of f of t equal to f of at equal to 1 upon a into f of s upon a. Replace s by s upon a in f of s. So final Laplace transform of f of 2t is 1 upon 2 into f of s upon 2, because f of 2t, that's why a is 2, so put here a is 2, and f of s is a square minus s plus 1 divided by 2s plus 1 bracket square into s minus 1, and s replaced by s by 2, so this f of s is s square is s upon 2 square minus s is s upon 2 plus 1. This 2s is 2 into s plus 1 plus 1 bracket square. S minus 1 is s by 2 minus 1. Next step is 1 by 2 as it is. This s upon 2 square is s square by 4. S minus 2 s by 2 as it is. Divide this 2 cancel. Then s plus 1 square, near cross multiplication, s minus 2 divided by 2. Next step 1 upon 2. Here this s minus 2 and this s square by 2 4. Multiply numerator denominator by 4. Multiply numerator and denominator by 4. So here 4 cancel, s square only, minus 4 into s by 2 is 2s, and plus 1 into 4 4. Divide this 2 into 4 8, and here s by 2, sorry, s minus 2 upon 2, so 8, and these 2 cancel, so remains 4. S plus 1 square as it is, and this s minus 2 as it is. So final answer is this s square minus 2s plus 4 is s minus 2 bracket square, and this 1 s minus 2, and from this s minus 2 square 1 s minus 2 cancel. So final answer is 1 by 4 s minus 2 divided by s plus 1 bracket square. This is final answer of Laplace transform of f of 2t by using change of scale theorem. L of f of t equal to f of s, then L of f of at is 1 upon a f of s upon a. First find fs and then replace s by s upon a into 1 upon a multiplier. So this is change of scale theorem, second shifting theorem and first shifting theorem. Thank you.